Hi everyone, and welcome back. Today we're going to read story number 10 from One Story a Day for Beginners and Kids. سلاوتان لبت ئەمڕۆ چیرۆکی دێم لە زنجیرەی هەر ڕۆژە و چیرۆکێک بۆ ئاستی سەرەتا منداڵان دەخوێنینەوە. As you can see, we've got a family here. خێزانێکمان لێرە هەیە و لێرە they say let's take a picture. با وێنەیەک بگرین. Now let's get to the story. The title of the story is Everything is New. Now nishani chirokkaman awaya hemmow shtek nueya. So when the first baby is born, everything is new. Ka'tek mandal yakam ladayk debe hemmow shtek nueya. When with a new baby, there is a new mother and new father. Legal mandali taza, daiku bashi taza's here. There's also a new grandfather and grandmother, a new uncle and new aunt. Kata timan here. Da piro ba pire tazashu, khalu mamu puri tazash. The new parents have to prepare a new bed, new clothes, and new toys for the new baby. Dai baba tazaka, pevista they have to prepare amadakari bkan bobling j taza amadabkan, new bed, jili taza, new clothes, new toys, yari taza, bo mandala tazaka. Everything is new. Hamushtek tazo nue. Oof, that's what the dog says. Awa lera sagaka adalet. So I hope everyone is happy with their family members and their kids. And thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next story. Bye-bye.